What up, Diecast fam? Your boy BG here. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Also, huge shout out to my boy Derek over at Honest Diecast. Happy birthday, brother. Those of you who don't know, today is Derek's birthday, so make sure you guys head on over to his YouTube channel and drop a comment wishing him a happy birthday. All right, guys, so without further ado, we're going to be unboxing this big box right here. This is from my boy James over at Hewittz Diecast. I don't know what you sent me, bro. I was only expecting like one or two things he said he was going to send. I don't know what else is in here, but whatever it is, brother, I really appreciate it. So without further ado, guys, let's get to busting this box open. All right, so here we go. Yeah, this is the biggest care package I've ever received from anybody in the community, so we'll see what this box has, man. Sorry guys, this box is taped very well. I do appreciate that. So let's see. Oh, nice. Nicely wrapped. We have a shirt. Oh, nice. It's got my channel logo on there. Check this out. Oh yeah, buddy. Thank you so much, man. Been waiting for this shirt for the longest time. I'm pretty sure that you all know by now what this is all about, man. And again, guys, this guy just does not stop. Nobody even thinks about this guy, and you know, just whenever he feels like it, he drops a video or community post. He hasn't done it in a while, but there is one out there that I'm surprised he hasn't deleted yet. He usually deletes his bashing videos or community posts within a few days, sometimes within hours after he uploads them. If you guys want to know more, go check out that video, man. He now goes by a different name, by the way. You'll still be able to find him. Just do a search under Fortsman Diecast Garage, and you know, his new name or channel name will appear. So let's see what else is in here, man. Let me get this out of here. Okay, there is a note attached to this. It says, look this car up online. You will shit yourself, brother. It's the Chase 118 scale. Ha ha ha. Had to throw you in the rabbit hole. I figured you would give it a better home. Well, thank you very much, James. This is really my very first 118 scale. I have quite a few of the Fast and Furious 124 scale, but 118, yeah, these are humongous cars, man. Thank you, James, for wrapping this up. Let us see. Alright guys, sorry about all the layers of bubble wrap. Oh man. Okay. Dang. Oh dude, James. Take a look at this, guys. Dang, brother. Oh man, thank you, James. And check this out, guys. This is super cool. This is the Dodge Challenger M2 Ground Pounders Chase. Check that out, guys. It's got the gold wheels. It's got the gold trim around the window frame. Gold engine. The gold trim on the back. Check that out, guys. Even the gas door has a gold chrome on it. This is very cool, man. Check out the door handles, man. Dang, brother. Thank you very much, man. Check that out. Very cool. This is a very awesome casting, man. Yeah, this casting, wow. Like I said, guys, I don't really collect these. I mean, this is a car I will definitely hold on forever. There's a sticker right there. I'll read it later on, guys, but that's what it says. So once again, James, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Man, this car is off the hook, man. Off the freaking hook. Jeez, man. Wow. Thank you, James. I really appreciate it. So far we got the shirt. We have this beautiful Dodge Challenger M2 Chase. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, nice. Check this out. Thank you, James. He sent me a cool water bottle with his logo. Very cool. It says Hewittz Hot Wheels, boom, peace, intro, HewittzDiecast.com. So yeah, guys, so you guys didn't know, James also sells merch. Go over to HewittzDiecast.com and you will find this and other products. So this is very cool. Thank you, James. Appreciate it, man. So there's that. And let's see. What else? Stickers. Remember, guys, James likes to make stickers of all the castings that he makes. So let's start off with this one right here. Oh, this is awesome, man. This is really cool. Really, really cool. So there's that. Oh, nice. Check this one out, guys. This one has Jason on it. Here's this one. This is really cool, man. Check this one out. He loves working on his gassers. Check that out. Here's this cool Mustang. This has the Ratfink decals on it. Oh, this one's really cool. Check this one out, guys. This truck is awesome, man. Check this one out. Yeah, guys, so if you guys want a custom, a Hewittz custom special, hit him up, man. At this point, there's no custom this man cannot do for you. And these stickers are living proof of that. Oh, man, this is really cool. Check this one out, guys. Dude, this is super freaking cool. Another Ratfink gasser in purple. That's cool. Oops. Here's this one. Very cool, man. Check this one out. Nice. Here's another one. Check this one out, guys. The Corvette gasser with a candy striper. Got two of them. Here's a drag bus. Oh, nice. This is super cool. Check this out, guys. So yeah, guys, like I said, I mean, there's no custom this man can't do for you. So if you're interested in something, hit him up. Let's see what else is in here. There's supposed to be one more thing in here. Let's see here. Okay, so here it is. I'm just gonna, let's see what else. It looks like it's just, okay, yeah, that's all there's in there. So let's get this out of the way. Thank you, James, for sending that, man. Appreciate it. So here's the holy grail, in my opinion, guys. I've been waiting for one of James' customs for quite some time. So it was definitely worth the wait. You know, he did send me some pictures, and I shared them with you on my community post, and I believe on Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, let's get this thing open, man. Let's see. It's well taped together. Let's see. What did I do with my knife, man? What did I do with my knife? There it is. I hear something. Need to be careful. I hear something rattling, man. I hear something rattling, whatever it is. Yeah, I have to be very careful with this one. Sorry, guys. I have to be very, very careful with this because, you know, people in the past have not complained, but just said to James, like, hey man, I mean, I don't know, something's rattling in there. I don't know. So I'm just trying to be super careful. Oh, man. Okay. There we go. Again, sorry about that, guys. I mean, you have to be very careful when you get customs, because you know they are pretty delicate. So yeah, holy smoke, man. Damn, James, look at this, guys. It's one thing when somebody sends you pictures of something, but when you have it in person, dang, James, thanks a lot, brother. This is so freaking awesome, dude. Okay, so something is rattling in there. I don't know what it is, man. There it is. Let's see, I don't know what this is. Alright, guys, so this is the piece that was rattling in there. I don't know where this goes. I'll try to figure it out. I don't know where it goes, man. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I got a phone call. So anyways, let me give you a closer look. So check that out, man. He knows I'm a Laker fan. Yeah, I know. They didn't go past the first round of the playoffs, even with LeBron James and Luka Doncic. But we'll see what happens next season. It's got the gold wheels, the white lettering. Nice. Exposed engine. It's got Lakers up here. It's got some more decals here. Let's see. This is sweet, man. Check out that color, dude. Nice. It's got the cage in there. Very cool. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you stopping by. Enjoy your Cinco de Mayo. James, thanks a million and then some for these awesome gifts. I was not expecting this big boy right here, man. This is awesome, man. This is really cool. But for me, the holy grail of them all is this guy right here. And yeah, this part fell off. I'm gonna have to get with James and ask him where it goes so I could glue it back together or something. So yeah, guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care, God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.